everyone. Today I'll be talking about the medical usage of chamomile plant. So chamomile is a common name for several daisy-like plants. These plants are best known for the ability to be made into a tea, which is commonly used to help with sleep and is often served with either honey or lemon. Chamomile is well-known herbal tea that has many medical values. It is known for its fruity flavor that often reminds one of apples. Chamomile has the capacity to soothe a person down and act as a muscle relaxant as well as mild sedative. So there are a variety of chamomile tea. Chamomile is old school. It has been used since ancient time. Both the Egyptian and the ancient Roman used chamomile in tea, creams, essence, and other beverages. In Egypt, chamomile was prescribed as a cold remedy. In the modern era, a nightmare chamomile tea is a staple for inducing sleep. Recent studies have supported the efficacy of chamomile for cold prevention, sleep induction, and other ancient application. While there are several varieties of chamomile, two are used most frequently for tea today, which is the Roman and the German. So both have been used historically to remedy a variety of health concerns. Roman chamomile is native to Europe, North Africa, and some parts of Asia, and was named by the 19th century botanist who found some growing by the Roman Colosseum. Despite being different species, the tiny daisy-like flowers of both German and Roman look quite similar and have similar uses and effects. One key difference is that Roman chamomile is a perennial plant and German chamomile is an annual, meaning that it dies each year and needs to be replanted. The differences are also important when it comes down to taste. Roman chamomile tends to be bitter when used in tea, whereas German chamomile is much sweeter. So there are several medical usages. Chamomile is widely used to treat inflammation of the skin and mucous membranes, and for various bacterial infection of the skin, oral cavity, gums, and respiratory tract. Chamomile in form of aqueous extract has been frequently used as a mild sedative to calm nerves and reduce anxiety and to treat nightmares, insomnia, and other sleep problems. Chamomile has been valued as a digestive relaxant and has been used to treat various gastrointestinal disturbances, including indigestion, diarrhea, anorexia, motion sickness, nausea, and vomiting. Chamomile has also been used to treat colic and fevers in children. It has been used as an uterine tonic in women, and it also is effective in arthritis, back pain, bed sores, and stomach cramps. Furthermore, chamomile tea has been used to study for its beneficial effects in management of diabetes. In one study, daily consumption of chamomile tea was found to prevent the progression of diabetic complication and hyperglycemia. And it also protects against several types of cancer cells. In vitro studies show possible protection against several different types of cancer cells. Of course, there are some precautions that need to be taken. Some people who have serious allergic reactions to chamomile, if you are allergic to other plants in the same family, you should use caution when using chamomile. Chamomile should be avoided during pregnancy because it may act as a uterine stimulant and therefore increase the chance of abortion. People with asthma should take precautions. And people with bleeding disorder or on blood thinners should avoid chamomile as it contains coumarin and may increase the chances of bleeding. It may act like estrogen in the body, and it could also cause drowsiness. And these are the references that I use for this presentation. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.